Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through best TikTok filters for guys. Best TikTok filter for guys. We have two methods for you. First method is using the G6 filter, also called as dynamic and masculine look. Open the TikTok, tap the plus icon to create a video, then choose a seconds, for example, 60 seconds. Access filters. On the right hand side, tap the filters icon, the three circles. Then go to the portrait category and choose the G6 filter. It enhances skin tones and creates a sharp, cool toned look that's ideal for guys. Apply the filter and record your video or edit a pre-recorded one with it. Last method, using the Vibe filter, also called a stylish and trendy look. Open a TikTok, then tap on the plus button and either record or upload a video. If you want to record, just go to seconds. For example, I choose 60 seconds. Tap Effects next to the red record button and search for the Vibe filter in the trending or popular section. Use this filter to add a moody, cinematic effect to your video. It gives a polished, stylish appearance that resonates well with TikTok audiences. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.